Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now here you can find the option of crown like button at the top left corner. Now go ahead and select it. Scroll to your right and here you can find the option of subscribe now. And if you have subscribed to the Pixlr app, you will see the unsubscribe button right here instead of the subscribe now button. And simply tap onto the unsubscribe button and then you will be unsubscribed from the Pixlr app. And that's it. This is how you can unsubscribe from the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.